How to add another email here on Airpaz. So hey guys, in today's video I'll be teaching how to add another email on Airpaz. So to add another email on Airpaz, all we need to do is open up our Airpaz right here. Now guys, to add another email is we just need to open our Airpaz right here. So once we're here, click on the top right corner on your letter, as you see right there. Just oopsie, not that one, next to notification, the profile right there, Airpods member. Now to add another email, click on the add right there. So there's a primary email, click on add. Now we're just gonna enter input in the email address right there. After putting the email address right there, all you need to do is click on continue. It says that and you will have two emails, but you can change it whether if you wanted to make it primary or secondary email. So yeah, there you go. You can change it to a primary or secondary email by just once you've added it, all you need to do is choose one. So yeah, there you go. You can choose an email once you've added already an email here on the Airpaz. Easy as that. So yeah, there you go guys. That's how it works. That's how you add your other email here on Airpass. So yeah, there you guys. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you enjoyed. If you have any more questions or concerns, you can always type it down in the comment section below, guys. I'm gonna be happy to answer as soon as possible in here on how to rock it, guys. And thank you guys.